What is the most powerful weapon that enables the parliament to ensure executive accountability? A. Approval or refusal of laws. B. The no confidence motion. C. Confirmation of treaties. D. Deliberation and discussion. B. The no confidence motion. Where is the Mahabodhi temple situated? A. Varanasi. B. Bodh Gaya. C. Patna. D. Agra. B. Bodh Gaya. Which African leader wrote the autobiography Long Walk to Freedom? A. Robert Mugabe. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Muammar Gaddafi. D. Desmond Tutu. B. Nelson Mandela. In which year was the Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment (TRYACN) scheme launched by Government of India? A. 1991. B. 2000. C. 1979. D. 1965. C. 1979. Under the Chief Minister Learn and Earn scheme of Madhya Pradesh, the government will not provide which of the following? A. Financial assistance. B. Training. C. Laptops. D. Employable skills. C. Laptops. Noted dance historian Dr. Sunil Kothari was awarded Madhvadev Award in 2019 by the government of Assam for popularizing which dance form of the state? A. Bihu. B. Bagurumba. C. Satriya. D. Bhojpali. C. Satriya. What is the usual term used to describe the climate of India? A. Polar climate. B. Tropical monsoon. C. Desert climate. D. Arid climate. B. Tropical monsoon. Dandari dancing troops perform during the festival of Diwali for a fortnight with participation from Kolam and Rajgond tribes. A. Chhau. B. Baida Parthuni. C. Ghusdi. D. Raut Nacha. C. Ghusdi. How many gold medals did India win at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2023? A. 7. B. 8. C. 5. D. 6. D. 6 is the first Indian woman to have won a Grammy. A. Tanvi Shah. B. Shalmali Kholgade. C. Palak Muchal. D. Shilpa Rao. A. Tanvi Shah. Which Indian musician personality's native place is West Bengal? A. Naushad. B. O.P. Nair. C. Ilayaraja. D. Bappi Lahiri. D. Bappi Lahiri. According to the Census of India 2011, which state union territory has the lowest sex ratio? A. Punjab. B. Lakshadweep. C. Daman and Diu. D. Haryana. C. Daman and Diu. Which of the following is an autobiography of the famous cricketer Sourav Ganguly? A. A Shot at History. B. The Dream of Revolution. C. A Century is Not Enough. D. Memories of My Life and Times. C. A Century is Not Enough. Who among the following established a unit of horsepower that is equal to one horse doing 33,000 foot-pounds of work in 1 minute? A. James Black. B. James Kroll. C. James Watt. D. James Dwight Dana. C. James Watt. In which year was the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act passed? A. 1978. B. 1976. C. 1998. D. 1986. B. 1976. Who among the following leaders led the revolt of 1857 in Bihar? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Devi Singh. C. Rajkumar Shukla. D. Kunwar Singh. D. Kunwar Singh. Shri Jagannath Mela is held at A. Cuttack. B. Sambalpur. C. Jaipur. D. Alwar. D. Alwar literally means dance of the enchantress. It is one of the most striking in the Indian classical dance repertoire. A. Kuchipudi. B. Mohiniyattam. C. Kathakali. D. Bharatanatyam. B. Mohiniyattam. The important milestones of the SHG Bank linkage movement was spearheaded by with support from RBI. A. SCBI. B. Indian Bank. C. NABARD. D. Cooperative Bank. C. NABARD. Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium is one of the premier stadiums in India located at A. Ahmedabad. B. New Delhi. C. Baroda. D. Surat. A. Ahmedabad. The pre-monsoon showers are known as in Kerala and Karnataka. A. Tea showers. B. Grapes showers. C. Banana showers. D. Mango showers. D. Mango showers. Insufficient levels of parathyroid hormone and low amount of calcium in the blood causes which of the following conditions? A. Malaria. B. Anemia. C. Diabetes. D. Hypocalcemia. D. Hypocalcemia. Team Rest of India won Irani Cup in 2023. Irani Cup was hosted in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. West Bengal. C. Bihar. D. Uttar Pradesh. A. Madhya Pradesh. 5. What is a dimension related to the sustainability of microfinance institutions in India? A. Dependency on donor funding. B. Limited social impact. C. High profit margins. D. Excessive interest rates. A. Dependency on donor funding.